So till now, we have discussed about OOPS concepts. So they are all completed now. Now we'll go for some advanced topics, and these are all most used concepts of real time also. Okay. Uh, Fine. So our next concept is collections. Okay. This is like our structures in our C language. Okay. Um, so so first we'll discuss about what is collections, and after that we'll see how to work with that and all. Okay. So we'll share this. This one whoops related. So basically now I won't follow the this notepad under anyway. So I will share this one in group so that you people can use. Only oops concepts are there in this. Okay, from beginning to ending. Okay, collections. So what is collections? Before that, what is arrays? Tell me, what is arrays? One variable. Yes. Multiple values of. Tell me here, next one. Of. Yes. Any more answers? So people are there. Only 4 people. Of same data type. Same data type, right? This is fine, right? Okay, very good. So now collections. Collections. We have different types of collections available in our C#. Array list, stack, queue, hash table, sorted list. What is that? Array list, stack, queue, hash table, sorted list. Okay. So we'll see. See, these are all different ways only. So if you want to work with collections, we need to use a namespace called using system.collections. Okay. So like by default it will come, but if you remove that using system.collections namespace, we cannot work with the collections namespace. Okay. Okay. See this one. So do you guys have any questions? Are you guys practicing? No one is asking me any questions. Nothing. I'm not getting any doubts from you guys nowadays. So are you guys practicing? What is happening exactly? Okay, so now the first one is array list. So see here for array list we have few methods. What are those methods means I will tell. The first one is add. For example, if I have array list, so I can store multiple values of different data types, right? First one is add. So for example, if you want to add one element to your array list, then we will use add. Remove. If you want to remove one item, we can remove. Now insert. Okay, insert is, for example, this array list also store the values in the form of index only. For example, so for example, if I have array list of 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4 values are there. So now what is the index of this one? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the index of 4 is what? 3. Now for example, if I write a method like add of 3, add of 5, okay, 6, 6 just, then what will happen after executing this line? 6 will be added here. Okay, now what is the index? We'll see after that. If you want to remove something, remove 3, or if you write remove, then one element will be deleted. Similarly, now insert, insert, insert. So for example, at which index you want to add the value? For example, 3, comma 7. Then what will happen? 0, 1, 2, 3. So here, then value will be inserted at particular index. Got it? Similarly, remove at, same. How your insert is working, same. Where you want to remove the particular item at particular index, if you specify that index, then it will delete it. Clear, to delete all the elements. Okay, reverse. This method is to reverse the items in reverse order. And finally sort. That will be used for what? Ascending and descending order related. That's it. Okay. So this is what different methods available in our array list. Any questions, or can I explain again? So see, if you see the program within 1 minute, you will get the answer. You will understand. Okay. First, right up to here. So this heterogeneous means what? Dissimilar data types. That array is what? Homogeneous. So any questions? See, this is very easy. If we execute the program, that's like using calci only. Like, so for example, if you are using calci for 2 plus 3 addition, 3 plus 3 addition, like that, you'll feel that one. So once you people done with this, I will explain. Okay, I'm just moving down. So these methods anyway you can find in book. So now we'll see count property. So count property is used for getting the number of items in array list. We'll see one example for that. I will show you. And after that, we'll just check for the for each loop related thing. Okay. So the syntax for each loop is so this for each loop is nothing but it's like a for loop only, but the difference here is see this one. So data type variable name in collections. So for example, if we have one variable with multiple data types of multiple values, then we'll go for each loop. That is one thing. And one more thing. So in for loop, what we used to do for I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So here we'll carry complete object values like 10 values or 20 values or 30 values like that. Okay. And after that, what we will do, we'll print all those values here. That's what for each related. Okay. First, we'll see one example with for each. Okay. So just note down syntax of for each. Okay. So we'll see examples. Okay, we'll see simple example now. After that, we'll go for a little complex. Okay, people see here. You will start writing the programs again in the main method. So see here. So first thing, array list. Array list is nothing but here by using array list we can store multiple values of different data types. See, this 10 is what? Integer. This narration is what? String. This is double. This is float. This is what? Character. So one variable, multiple data types, multiple values. This is what collections. Okay. So this is what array list related. Array list is nothing but you will store multiple values. That's it. Okay. So I have explained about for each loop syntax. So data type, variable name in the array list. So simple. Object is our data type. I created one object here, AR. So in AR is nothing but this array list object. So how many values we have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that needs to print all those values here. Okay. See, because of multiple data types. So this is, if you observe for loop syntax, I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. So if you observe here, see here only one data type and we are just iterating the loop. But here what we are doing, we are holding complete object output and we are printing that one. Okay. So object in the sense this one, array list. Okay. That's what we are doing here. And we are copying those values into this object format and we are printing them. Okay. So just note down this program. Later I will give with add, remove, everything, all the methods what we discussed there, I will give all the programs. So we will just see the output. So see, we are able to print the output, right? This is what array list. Just note down the problem. Okay, we'll see one more example. So see here, add 10, add 20. So these are all integers. Now, so now what I will do, remove 3. Now what will happen? Just tell me. See, first we'll see the add output. Now tell me, what will happen? All the elements will be added. 10, 20, 23, 350. Now what I will do, I will uncomment this line. Now what will happen? After 23, we'll get 50. 3 will be removed. See, 3 got removed. Okay. So now again, I'm commenting this 3. Okay, fine, right? Insert 1 comma 99. That means after 10, 99 will be inserted. Why? Because this is 0 index. At 1 index, we will insert 99. Okay. Now people see here. See, 0 index, 1 index, it inserted 99. Got it? Now again I'm okay, we'll keep like that. Now remove at 2 again. So second index. That means where? 0 place this one, 1 place this one, second place who is that second place? 20. Now 20 should be removed. See, 20 got removed. Okay. Now what we will do? We'll keep this reverse. I don't know what will happen. See, let's see. See, previously this 10 is the first one, 99 is the second one. But now, so it got reversed. Okay. Okay. Now sort. So ascending, descending order maybe. See, 3, 10, 23, 50, 99. Ascending order. And finally clear. What will happen? Complete object will be cleared. Nothing will display now. See, nothing is displaying because we used clear. Okay. Any questions? Can I explain again? I told you guys, right? This is very easy program while executing. It's like a calc and we are doing some operations. Okay, done. Sorry guys, clear with this program or you want me to, anyone want me to explain again? I'm commenting this one. So why? Because you can enter your own and you can, play with this, all these things. Okay, so note down. Okay, we'll see one example on that count now. Let's see. So what will happen, like simply we are using the for loop. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I have a method called ar.count. What is this ar? Array list. See, whatever we have, we created just object and we are using them. I was saying while explaining using system.collections namespace. So if I remove this namespace, then what is happening? We are getting errors here. Okay. That's why without that namespace, we cannot work in collections. Okay. So here again, this is integer, string, double, float, char, everything we added. After that, what I'm doing for int I equal to 0, I less than ar dot count. That means it will give the total count of the array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what it will give, 5. Okay. So from index always start with 0, AR of 0. AR of 0 is what? 10. After that, I less. So what is the what is the count value here? 5. So simply people see here. Oh, okay. Here for I equals to what? 0. I less than. Tell me what is the count value? 5. I plus plus. Okay. Now people see here. Initially, AR of what? 0. 0 means it will print. Now I plus plus. I equal to what? 0 plus 1. I plus 1. And I 1 less than 5 condition true. And it will be displayed. And again, I plus plus. Again, it will increase 23.5. Here it will increase. After that, it will print, and after that 5 less than 5 condition failed, and it will come out of the loop. That's it. This is what the count example. So this is happened because of this count property. Okay, so we'll just show you the output. Okay, just note down. This is normal for loop only. What is there in this for loop? So here you will get the count. Once you got the count, this will be like this. Why? Because here the count is how much? 5 only. Okay. So initially, what is the I value? 0. Okay. After that, what? I less than, what is the count value got here? 5. I plus plus. Okay. After that, what we are printing? Array of I. So what is initial I value? So 0. 0 less than 5. Okay. 0 less than 5, condition true. So then what will happen? AR of 0. Then who is AR of 0 here? This one. Okay. So similarly, I value will be incremented. So I equal to I plus 1. So what is the I value now? 0. I equal to 0 plus 1. So 1 less than 5, condition true. AR of 1. AR, who is AR of 1 here? Naresh IT. So now I value will be incremented. So I equal to I plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Right? 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5, condition true. So AR of 2, who is that AR of 2? This guy. After that condition, it will increment again, that 3.4f, and after that this one, and after that what? 5 less than 5, condition will be fail, and it will come out of the loop. That's it. Got it now? Okay, done with the program, everyone? Okay, done, right? So this is easy, right? Now the next one is stack. You people's favorite. So simple. First, okay, stack. First thing, we need to create an object for that stack. Some obj equals to new stack. Okay, so here what will happen like? So here we have two methods. Push, pop. Okay, push is for what? Adding. Pop is for what? Removing. But how the elements will be removed? So we have a concept called LIFO. What is LIFO? Do you people know? Last in, first out. So whoever last inserted, that element will be come first. That's what LIFO. Okay. So see here, for example, I push the elements like 1, after that 2, after that 5, after that 8, after that 7. Now if I write this pop method, then 7 will be removed first. Why? Because that is last inserted as per this LIFO. Last in, first out. Okay, we'll see how they will work. Just note down this. We'll see the program. Okay, so can I move to program? To see, first we are inserting these values. Okay, so who is first inserted here? 10, 14, 13, 12. Who is last inserted here? 12. Now I will uncomment this one. Now what will happen? So we'll have all these values, but 12 will be removed. See, 12 got removed because that got inserted last. Okay, this is what LIFO. Yeah, note down the program. Yes, it will. Okay. So that depends upon requirement, Rima. Okay, the next one is this one. Queue. So this is completely opposite to stack. So stack is what for last and first out. Here it is first in first out. So we have two methods like NQ and DQ are there. So we'll discuss them tomorrow. So that I can do one more time revision on all those things. We can do one revision and we can discuss about Q also tomorrow. Okay, anyone have any questions? Okay, fine. Thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow.